Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your password in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Then, tap on the Sign In button, and at the bottom of the login screen, select Forgot Password. This will take you to the password recovery page, where you will be asked to choose either your email or phone number to receive the reset link. After selecting your preferred recovery method, enter the required details and check your email inbox or text messages for a password reset link. Open the email or message, tap on the reset button, and you will be redirected to a page where you can select the Roblox account you want to update. Now, enter a new password of your choice, making sure it is strong and secure. Confirm your new password by typing it again, then submit the changes. Once done, you will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully, and you can now use it to log into your account. So that's basically how you can reset your password in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.